Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can create a quiz using Google Form. Alright, so the first thing that we want to do is to bring up the internet browser here. So we're going to go all the way to the right where you see this 9 little dots right here. We're going to click, we're going to scroll down to the bottom. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. This is self-fill form. We're going to click on it. And if you don't sign in, you're going to take it to a screen that you have to sign in. Alright, and there you go. Take you where some different email addresses. I'm going to click on one. When you click on one, you're going to ask me for a password. Now I'm going to type in the password, and when I finish the password, I'm going to click right there. Either press next or press enter. Right? I press enter. Now it's going to take me directly in the form. And what you will see in the form here, notice all these are templates. Right? So what I want to focus on is a blank. Right? And this is how the blank look like with the plus 9. I'm going to click on it. When I click on it, alright, here it brings me a blank form, which is right up here, untitled, questionnaire, respond, notes right here, untitled, then it shows the description here. Right here is actually show you how you can put in the question, here give you the option. Here you can also insert a photo. This show you multiple choice and all that, show a paragraph, here short answer, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down box, okay, upload a file here. Can show linear scale, multiple grill, and all of that is show your time and date. When you come over here, actually you can add question. Here you can import question. You can answer the title and a description. Here you show that you can actually insert a video. Right here you can also add. Here you can also put section. But if you notice right up here is the theme, and this itself is a preview. But what we want to focus on is settings. You're going to click on settings. Why settings? So notice right here we have general, we have presentation, and our quizzes. So we're actually going to create a quiz. So we want to collect email, right? So we'll click that, you're going to collect email. You can actually limit them to only one response, right? I'm going to scroll up some more. So notice right here, edit after submit, right? Going to click on this one, right? So therefore they cannot edit or submit afterward, right? So if you come up right here, so it's a presentation right here. You notice it show progress bar. I can actually shuffle the question. I'm going to click right here, quizzing. Right, if you notice right here, it's a quiz. Because when you click this will show you the answer section that you can actually put in the right answer in it. Take it out. When you click that, you notice immediately after the person submit, they will see the response. But if you don't want that, I don't have the time to go through them, you can click on this one. But if I scroll up, notice it show you all of these. Right, question. You can't miss out anything. So you come right here, you press save. You notice as soon as I press save, let's scroll up some more. You notice it's the answer key that I never see before, it's required. Alright, you notice up here, it's the email. Alright, so very important. Up here, so now the title. I'm going to click, I'm going to check out this, I'm going to type something in here. Right, I'm going to type computer quiz, I'm going to show you exactly. So you can create a simple form here. Right, so I'm going to computer text right here. You notice right here, shows you the instruction. So I'm going to write something in here. Right. Carefully. Right, this is all we're going to actually do it. Right. Then answer the question. So this is very important. Right, then I give the instruction. Good. And as soon as I finish with the instruction, notice with the email up here. Now you're going to go all the way down here. Right, you're going to put in the first question right there. Right, so I can actually put in the one right there. I put a bracket just like that. You're going to say which, I'm going to put in some random stuff. So it's a which one is a input device. Right, so they're asking the question. So we're going to come right there, so option 1. We're going to click. We're going to put A right here. We're going to say mouse. Then you're going to press enter to take it down to 2. Right, and notice I already have B right here. Pattern. Right, We're gonna put something there. We're gonna press enter again, notice to give it the same C. Put right there. Right, just like that. Press enter again. Notice it give me D right here. Right here. So we're gonna enter word monitor. Right, you know I have that now. The next thing we want to do, come right here. We're going to click on the word require. No answer. So we want to click the right answer. We're going to click right here is the answer key. We're going to click, alright. Notice up here, show you put in the points. So for instance, you can say this value 4 point or maybe 5 point or whatever. So I'm going to put 1 point, alright. And notice the question to which one is, alright, let me, which one is an input device, right? So this is the mouse. I'm going to click on that, you notice, and then I click done, right? So let me put in right here. So if I come up here for the top, I'm going to scroll up the top and I click right here and preview like that. This is all okay. This is all my form look like so far. Right, let me scroll up some more that you can actually see. Alright, I notice you don't see the correct answer that I tick off. Right, so it's actually in preview and this is your form actually take shape so far. Right, when you finish you can come right here and actually click and go back to the first step. Alright, so I'm going to scroll up some more here. So I'm going to add question 2. So you notice you're going to click right here and we're going to add question 2 right here, right? And then we put word 2 here, right here. And then we're going to say now which one, right? So that's up to the question is on output, right? One is an output device right here. Then we're going to put this question sign just to see, right? So we're going to click right here. So we're going to set the keyboard, right? So we want to put the A first, right? So we're going to say keyboard, right? After that, we're going to press enter. Press enter, realize you have that one, right? Then we're going to go also press enter again and go down. So now we did actually and C, right? So after one, we're going to press it again. Right here, actually and D, right here. And we're going to push something now. Good. So while we do that now, we're going to come right here. We're going to click require again. And we're going to click right here, it's the answer key. So when you click your answer key, now we're going to put in a point just the same, right? And if you set which one is on output device, right? So we're going to click this is the right one, right? And then when you finish, you're done. You can also put a feedback right here, right? So we're going to click on it, done. So now we're going to go back to the top. I'm going to press the preview now. Alright, you see exactly how it look like. You notice number 1 question, take time go up. Alright, you notice number 2 question. All that, you can close it. I'm going to put a theme on it. Alright, so I'm going to come right here. I'm going to click. If you notice all text look like. Right, I can actually change this text style. Right, I can come down some more here. You notice font style. I can click right here. I can click here, so decorative. You notice how it text here right here. Yes, very important. I can go back again. I can put one formal. Notice formal cape right here. And if I go back again, I can actually click on playful. And this is what playful looks like, right? And as I can click here, change the color. You notice up here, just the same. Let's go back. I can actually add a theme up here. There's a choose of image. So when I click right here, you notice what here is a school, work on school, right? When I click on work on school, notice, and I click on illustration, give up a different section, and birthday, you can actually select one of these on it, right? Food, and drink and all of that for kid weddings, so all of this you can actually add to the slide, right? Also, you can also come right text and upload. So what I'm going to do, you can come right here and scroll up just like that and look at some more. So what I can do, I can add any one of these to my photo, my form. I'm going to click on this one. So now click on immediately right here to insert. I'm going to click right. So no issue right up here. So I can come right here and actually close the T. Now I'm going to go to the preview and see exactly what's going on. Alright. This is how my form actually look like now. Just like this. Right. Let me go back again and then back again right here at theme and see if I can give it color again. Notice actually change up just the same like that, and I can actually close the theme just like that. So as you can see, this is how we form actually look like here. So very important. Here that's what it look like. But can we add photo to this form? Right, let us see. Let us add another section right here. Add another section. What we wanted to do, we want to add a photo. Right, I'm going to come right here. I can add a photo from right here. I can come right here. So I'm going to click from right here. Go and add a photo. Notice this upload is from camera by URL and you get from photo or Google Drive. But I'm going to browse the desktop. And click on the browse. Right, you're going to take me directly to the desktop. Right, and there you go. This is the desktop right here. So what I want to select here photo, just like that. Right, so notice, give me various stuff right here that I can actually look like. Here, just like that, I'm going to click this. I'm going to click on open. I'm going to insert. I'm going to ask a question this and this photo right here. Alright, so let me scroll up some more. Alright, so this is set for the photo that I add on the page. If I click right here, and if you look at that, be sure that I can align it left, center, right. I can say I change which I can remove it. So if I click right here, you notice it actually jump right here in the center. Right here. So I'm going to write the question. Right, so I'm going to write number 3 here before I come like this. Right, so I'm going to say what is the name right here of the browser below. Right, and we're going to put just like that question sign, just like that. So we're going to click right here as usual in the A. So we're going to say Chrome here. We're going to press enter right there. So we're going to put in this one, and there we can say Opera here. Let me correct that. Good. We're going to press enter again now. Now we have to see here. We're going to signal Microsoft. So we're going to put the edge here. Just like that. So press enter again. Alright, so we're going to put something else here. Alright, so we're going to put Firefox here. Good. So as usual, scroll up again. So we're going to click right here, require. We're going to click on the answer key. And based upon the picture, we're going to add 2 marks to this one if the person gets it correctly. Just like that. Alright, so this is exactly the right answer. And then I'm going to scroll up. And then I'm going to press done. Alright. When I press done now I'm going to scroll up back. I'm going to click on the preview and look at my forms here, right? Let me take my time and scroll up, and there you go. So you can actually put in photo, video and all that, just to do the same thing here, right? So very important here, right? So therefore, no, we can actually save this. But what if I wanted to send this directly to either a group that I'm actually dealing with, or I want to send it to my student? I can come right here The send button, you notice right here, what you see right here, you can email. Notice email to. If I click right here, you can actually put in the first email address right here. So I'm going to click. Notice you put in the first email address right here. Send. Right? Directly to the person. You can also come back again and send it to somebody else. Just the same. Right? Let me look for a specific one. Alright, you can send it to that particular one now. Right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be open up that particular one, right, to see exactly how the form that look on a student view, or if the audience is actually doing it. Right? I'm going to come right here. I'm going to come here and click on this account and say click sign in. Right? Very important. If you notice it actually open up here. Say next. I'm going to click next. So it's going to take me to enter the password. Right? So while I'm putting in the password, I'm going to press next. Just like that. Right? And another press next, then you see exactly what takes place. Right? So if you notice right inside here, right? If you notice right inside here, this is the blank form, right? This is what actually inside here. So what if I come here and click over here? So if you notice this one right here, right? Notice another one just the same, right? So very important. So what I'm going to be doing now, right? So let me close this one. Let me create a different window so that I can actually get the other one. Alright, so let me correct that. Alright, so let me sign in this account again to see exactly what took place a while ago. Alright, so let me sign in. So when I sign in, I'm going to show you exactly what took place a while ago. Alright, there you go. You notice this itself is the computer test that sent directly to the email. So if I click on it, just like that, you notice it's a fill out form. Right, and if I scroll up right here, notice that's what it says. So I'm going to click on the part that says fill out. Now I click on the form fill out. You notice it actually open the form. Alright, not open the form, right? It asks for email. Alright, so I'm going to put in the email right here. So bear that in mind. So it asks for email, so you're going to put in the email address. Alright, .com. Right, so what I want to do, take a time and scroll down. As a student, this is what the student is actually look like. Right, and so which one is on input device. Right, so definitely click. You notice, take time and scroll down again. Notice, right, and then this one is the output. Notice we're going to click this one right here. Right, and if you notice, come right here. I'm just going to click this one. Then I'm going to click submit right there. Right. So if I click submit, now I'm going to come right back up here. I'm going to click on this particular form here. Right, so this itself is a form. So when I click up here, you notice over here, response shows a one person response. If I click here on the response, right, you notice this shows some question individual. But if I come right here and I scroll up, you notice it show you go back again, show the point position right here, score and all of that. Alright, so let me go to the individual. This is set with the question. And click on the question tag, take it back here, click on individual, just like that. Alright, so you should they can actually print it. Now we'll go back to the individual. We're going to scroll up. Alright, you notice it actually mark itself to show that this one is the right one right here. Alright, notice it shows that this one is also correct. Alright, but if you notice this one, it shows this one is incorrect. Alright, this is how form actually works. Alright, so notice it shows that it actually is correct. So as you see from the student view, what it looks like. Right, very important. So this is the teacher view. Teacher actually look back on it and see exactly what happened. And what you can do as a teacher or person who giving out this thing, you can click on this Excel sheet. When you click on Excel sheet, it's a create a new spreadsheet, or you can select the existing one. And then when you finish, you press create. So what will happen now? All of the results will be on this Excel sheet. Right? If you notice, the result right here, show the email address right here, show the score right here. Notice the question and answer and all that. So very important. So this is how it actually works so far. Right? So I hope you have learned something from this. And even this when you submit a quiz as a student or maybe you're doing a survey or you click back to view score, right? What did you show you? Definitely the person show up here how much the person gets. So the person can view what is the answer immediately after. And that's exactly how it goes. So I hope you have learned something from this short video here. So remember to share it to your friend, because sometimes you may want something to do but you don't know exactly what to do. You can literally put it in this particular form here. Alright, so remember to share it, give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next video.